After an access expose, the last refresher course the referees the whole of Ghana by RAG was in 2019. Now, after 2019, and modalities bar out you see a GFA technically aside the training referees and develop one Saman back and do it on their own. This year and a latter part of last year they picked it on a selected category like the Premiership and the Tour. And this year, I'm starting, and the referee development department, of the FA in consultation with the RFs, decided before they can commence on their league, we need to also do a little bit of workshop, technically, one day seminar, because there were a lot they ought to have done, which they are not doing or which they have not done. So we have to select certain things that is present, the low-hanging fruits now, which will be a mom with a view and say, I'm a picking and I'm going to start division 2. And then I stand here, friend, and say, something because of me. And me buy, say, the barber check, on match preparation, on offside, problem, handball, I issue, Ghana. Those are the things. Now, just football and Angasa, I shall say lower divisions. It is starting with lower divisions now. A bit one, my idea, Basro. Now, also a lack of confidence. You see, you need to be starting, so no question is stupid. What if we say, oh, be a bizarre question now, best than Bisa Wakasa who said, we have question anybody, Bisa Wakasa over to be a young. And that's what you are saying. But still, no, say, Ubia as Ubia, especially almost feeling this, and the peers best. I need to the man who to me, questions. Exactly, that is what I'm expecting for them. Because Okobaka, Tama, 2020-2021 amendment by. Nasa Bibisa say one kind. Obian to be can say what kind. Adentia or Udibsa or there will be a follow-up question. And you know, so they should be able to have confidence in themselves. Can it see me and correct you? And when they are friend addition. No Hana a recognition sabai. Yeah. Okase. Obisa referees they say omo league referees omo ni match no omo na yemo match. Also quickly I told them say it is wrong. Yes. Why do I say it is wrong? It is wrong because they have been trained to officiate in a particular way and they've gotten to the height of it. Obi odi premier say one hwe ne husuye no or the inchechene the man with premier. Also a football ntiase and any papa lower divisions. Edi so what even premiership na brana decisions be or must have for a year. Because the terrains are these are two different terrains. Woman will be a person upright in the officiating in the lower division 2, division 3. Obeko and all the time it was a match ending. And you know, person the match ending. Also devise another means to ensure that match will be. I don't know one year the performance who touch man because at one stage law Nangasa said yes on applying to send a trainer. And yes, sir, the only time you can invite those people is when there is a controversial game. Be a movie who hears somebody with a tough and who say, "If you phone it, you come, some much need to go and witness." Now, refugee, and yes, sir, and yes, sir, a year as a promotion now, can be as a promoted to class 1. Exams now be no work of class 1. We exams now pass. You bet you 10 years for division 2. 2 years I'm now failure we fail. But friends saying with division 2 now we are class 2. Performance, assessment, never say you go to. And the promotion is done by your own region. It is your performance in showing your region. Obviously, you cannot be promoted to the next level. Yes, that is how it is. Your assessment, also class 3, you do an exam. Class 2, you do an exam. But class 1 is a performance based. So your performance and your assessment from now will reach you and the say
no, okay.
So it's a recommendation from your region. Maybe I have a different view about the whole methodology. So what you said, I have a different view about the whole methodology. And I've been in a meeting with the general secretary and I asked certain cogent questions. He said they will go up there to go and address them. Because in a match where you have a match commissioner who ensured that the game was played after the game was played, has written a comprehensive report about the referee. If he was to score the referee, he might probably have given the referee 9/10 or 9.5/10, and the game has ended. Everything is fine. A team who is not happy out of the 90-minute game, a particular decision. Now, you may say he awarded a penalty that affected the result of the game. Yes, it affected the results of the game. That is why the referee never had 10/10. That is why the referee never had 10/10. Let me give you an example. Ghana versus Uganda. South African referee nobody or Kowaka. He was withdrawn after that match. He was withdrawn from, I think, he had a semi-final game. He was just withdrawn from that game because of that thing as a punishment. He was not thrown into the gutters. That's what I say. In terms of, I have my own view about the whole thing. But after I say, we'll be there idea. But what you see, you expect everybody to see. So what I say. Friends say, Kadri drop a ball, which to restart for a referee to change his decision. So he dropped the ball. Technically, Kadri is correct. Where is it written? Say a goalkeeper who is a captain has a right to leave his goal post. That thing was not mentioned. Captains have no right over the referees. The referees. Captain Soreno HSC referee say he has no right. And the report never mentioned the behavior of the this thing. There is never written in anywhere in the law that says that every player must take position, especially the goalkeeper, before you restart a game. There's no law anywhere. You understand? So Ujin way now was anyway. I'm going to say, I'll see you. What do you say? Who be say more? I am saying, you see teams in a reporting, in a review, take action. But the question is, if you want to do referee development, really want to do referee training and development, every match must be reviewed by the technical committee of the FA. Why am I saying that? The technical committee are the trainers of the referee. And for them to get a feedback on the referee's performance, they have to review the clips. And here's a team now say reporting as a review panel, as a review. The essence of the review panel is not to punish referee, but to increase the rate of training, to improve training of the referees. So what I say? And you know, for instance, as go Kotokodia okay, so referee say Kotobanko report here. Across a silent death. But technically, those of us who are closer to the referee have spoken to the referee why it happened, why didn't he do it, why we are discussing in our own level, but all the matches that are played should have been reviewed by the technical committee as and when. Because like a first round, we need to review all the first round, get the videos, Then use that same videos to train the referee. Say, I have what you say, I have so that the second round, there will be an improvement. Sana it is not to kill. Until I may use more examples of matches. Quarter final, Raja Casablanca, goal, very good goal. Assistant referee, the flag was what he said, Cap say, banned for 1 year.
No.
You see, if the question I am in BBC if making an error in your decision making will take you so many weeks, so many months, over a year, there's a corruption charge in the referee and your bench. You see, so and if you look at things that happen in other games and the punishment that comes with it, there is inconsistency. But what else can you say? I am not the one to go out there and say, the decision you are taking is wrong. That is not the way to go. The people involved, the people in charge knows best that this is the line you are, because training a referee is not an easy thing. Investing in a referee is also not an easy thing. And then you come back and you say, look, the criteria, who be that criteria, then playbook and a review committee on Peter. And there are a lot of other things that you can talk about where, well, it is best known to people. I mean, it's not my priority anyway. Committee in Angasa, about 6 matches to go, the whole refereeing listing, and select certain particular people to go into the matches. So, so I believe they would obviously use the people they can trust that they are going to hit hard and then get the league to go to a successful end. So I said, so that is the way I think is good. But on the flip side, the referees must always. This morning I was speaking to a referee that they must consistently read their laws anytime they want to travel for a game, because going to the game is not about minimum, and they must be spiritually inclined, because some of them, I don't think some of them fire. Some bumpire, no matter to